In this video I want to show you how to fold the second row and the third row of your Volvo XC90. So the second row, most people will go for this latch when in fact there's a latch in the back, okay, right over here, that you need to pull. And while you're pulling, bring the backrest completely flat like this. All right, this is step number one. And if you go on the back over here, you have the latch for the middle seat. Same thing. So just like that, this is how you fold the second row. For the third row, first you need to pull on this latch. It's in the floor, there's another one there, and you're gonna push the seat cushion inside. I know it doesn't make much sense, but this is how it's done. You need to push it. Obviously, you should not have stuff in the back. Okay, I push on this latch and then okay, now it's good. Now the backrest will not fold until this seat is until the seat cushion is completely pushed inside. So from the trunk, okay, make sure you have enough space. Okay, and now the seat backrest will finally fold. It will click in place once you reach the end. So this is the important part that many people miss. To put back the third row, you simply have, okay, the backrest and then pull on this, and this is about it. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment as well.